Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is August 16, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 11 3/4 points to 28.33 per contract. Looks like futures are catching a bid here on some news that the U.S. and China will actually sit down and talk. We'll see what comes out of that. There are no guarantees here. Last night, the Shanghai Composite was down again about 0.7%. And again, we'll see how this market reacts on this news. So again, just take it one day at a time, one step at a time. We'll see where it goes. We did have some economic data out at 8:30. Again, I'm not going to make much of it. But where we are going to focus is with stocks in the news. Walmart is up first today. They reported earnings. Stock right now is trading at $99.45. This is a big pop for Walmart. It closed at $90.22. So great little move there. I think we are into some good resistance around the 100 level. And then there's more around 103. So keep it on the radar and we'll see how it plays out. But all in all, Walmart behaving very, very well this morning after their earnings announcement. So we'll be keeping that close to the vest and we'll see how it goes. Let's take a look at Target, TGT. Very often Target will catch a bid when Walmart does in sympathy. Target right now trading at $82, closed at $80.69. Next up, we want to take a look at Cisco Systems. They reported earnings as well. Ticker symbol is CSCO. Cisco right now trading at $46.48. This closed at $43.86 yesterday, so this is a good move for Cisco Systems. There's a fair amount of resistance here. You can see on a bigger time frame chart right above 46, so we'll see if it can get through there with any velocity. But I think the chart looks decent here for Cisco Systems. We really got to look at it once the opening bell rings, though. Nonetheless, it is up, and we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Let's take a look at Juniper. Sometimes Juniper can trade up with Cisco, and here's Juniper Networks. It's not really doing a whole lot at the moment. Let's take a look at one more here, FFIV. This is F5 Network. Sometimes this could trade up a little bit. Not doing a whole lot from what I see at the moment. So all in all, we'll keep those on the radar. Sometimes they'll trade in sympathy to Cisco Systems. Let's take a look at BGG. This stock right now is trading at $20.10. It closed at $18.41. So BGG getting a pretty good bid after earnings. When I look at the chart right now, I have to think there could be a little bit more room to run, but this stock has really had trouble advancing after the opening bell. So we'll keep an eye on it. We'll see where it goes, and it could be in play today. Let's take a look at NTAP, which is Netapp. Stock right now is trading at $79.55. It closed at $82.47, so it's got a little bit of a dip here. Again, I don't see many problems with it. If it gets down to $76, that could be an interesting level, but we'll have to look at that one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at JD.com. This is a Chinese ADR. Stock right now is trading at $32.28. Closed at $32.36. This did slip a little bit this morning. Traded all the way down to $30. Again, if it does fall today, I could have levels ready to go for this one. So keep this on the radar. I have some levels I worked out last night, knowing that the stock was going to report earnings. So we'll see where it goes. But JD holding up pretty well right now, and that's probably on the back of the U.S. and China talks continuing. And you look at other Chinese ADRs today, you got a nice little pop in Alibaba. Looks like even Baidu is upticking a little bit. Sina Corp also getting a little bit of an uptick. So all the Chinese ADRs are rebounding a little bit here as there are talks that will take place between the Chinese and the U.S. Again, not sure much will come from them, but we'll see what happens. Next up, we want to take a look at Jcpenney. Ticker symbol is JCP. Earlier, when I was looking at this, we got roasted. Stock right now is trading at $2, coming off of the lows, closed at $2.41. I just honestly can't own Jcpenney's for the life of me, so I'm going to leave it alone here. I'll leave it up to the experts to decide what they want to do with this one, but I can't trade this name at this stage of the game. Let's take a look at Boeing. This was upgraded today. Boeing catching a nice little bid, closed at $331.76. Now trading at $338.70. Let's take a look at Symantec, SYMC. We're seeing this trade at $19.80. It closed at $18.55. This is on the back of some news that Starboard will take a 5.8% stake in the company, or has done it. So that's a nice little pop there for Symantec. Let's take a look at Dillard's here today, and sticking with the retail theme. DDS is a ticker symbol there. Stock's trading at $80.10. This is a little bit of a haircut here for Dillard's. Again, if it gets down to around the $76 level, there could be some support there. Maybe it's 75. We'll have to look at it if it does fall. I don't know if there's too much to do there, but that's what I'm seeing. And again, Dillard's could be in play today. Let's take a look at Kimberly-Clark, KMB. I believe this was upgraded. Stock trading at 117 today, closed at 116.46. So we got lots of moving parts. If you were in the chat room yesterday morning, great session. What can you say? 4 out of 5 winners, 1 small loser. Not a bad one. That is a good day. A lot of volatility, a lot of trade action. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. All right, let's shift gears here. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading down again today, down $1.40 to $1,883 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, that was roasted yesterday. And again, today it's not doing all that much. So right now trading at 111.36. GLD is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. Let's take a look here at crude oil. Crude oil this morning trading up about 8 cents to $65.09 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, you'll see that's trading at 13.58. Crude was hammered to the downside yesterday. Looking over at the US dollar index, that is pulling back a little bit. And then the all-important Turkish lira, let's not disregard it. Looks like the Turkish lira gaining against the dollar for a third day. Nice little pullback there in the US dollar against the Turkish lira, and that is helping to stabilize things at the moment. Again, Turkey looks like they have secured a $15 billion loan with Qatar, and we'll see where it goes from here. But the charts will tell us everything we need to know. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here. I want to wish you all a great trading day. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a blockbuster 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. Have a great trading day, everybody. God bless, and we'll see you on the charts.